So in the last video, this one here started going this way. And so I was watching this one because this was the one I really wanted to kind of play with. And so we know what this is going to do, right? And we know what this is going to, so they're both going to do the same. Now with algodo, there's variation. So I actually don't know exactly what it's going to do. It should do exactly what it did, but it might not. But I wanted to watch this one and see, because I remember when we looked over here the first time, it was going this way, and then it decided to go that way. So I'm just going to go ahead and play this one out and see what exactly we're doing here. So we turn this on. Yeah, so it starts going this way, and that's no big deal. Let's turn on the, let's just look at momentum. Okay. So yeah, it's clearly going this way. Now that one is just now getting to the point where it's kicking this one off, remember? So what builds up and reverses here? Check all the friction. Okay, so that thing is just shaking back and forth on there. Get rid of the momentums. Because this is totally friction. At some point, it starts slowing down and go back the other way, I think. Okay, so that's now at this point, and so are we moving? Oh yeah, it's still moving. It don't care. Rolling, rolling, rolling. All right, go back. I don't want to lose this one. So it does look like it's slowing down. You can look at the trail here. This is the trail. Don't someone mess anything up. What makes it reverse? If it does, it might not. I don't understand it. There's the oscillator. Reminds me of Marvin the Martian. That's dragging that along. This is the craziest, craziest. It's got to roll off. It's got to roll off. It's just stuck on there. That's so crazy. This looks like it might be slowing down. Again, we're not worried about that other one right now. I want to see this thing just for some reason just flip back and go the other direction. Like, how the hell does that happen? I mean, you got. Yeah, I don't get it. Don't get it. What would possibly cause it to change? Change direction. You're just doing nada. This one did not work well. Well, you know what? It might be this thing right there. I bet you that's what it is right there. Because I bet you that's what it is. I put, I took that off of here. You see, there's no rubber baby bumper. That's what caused it. So one of those bumps eventually will get this thing going back in the other direction. Oh, let's see if we can't make that do better. All right, so let's try and add on as close as we can, and then we're going to just add on, add, boom. Oh wait, Control Z. Material, rubber, and you gotta be careful not to get it too close. Let's put those, just glue them together. All right. Now, yeah. All the way up. What if we did this? What if we just took a ball, boom, turn it into a rubber ball. Okay, and then we just take a spring and take it like these, like that. This will fall, and then we'll bounce. Let's see what happens. Are those oblong or something? Yeah, I don't think they're perfectly round. I should just get rid of that one. Let's go back. I'll get rid of that one. That drives me nuts. We don't even need any of them. Get rid of those two. Boom. Alright. So, and you know what? One more thing. I know. Get on with it. Let's go a little bit faster, a little bit harder. Boom. Okay. So, 10 times, 1 billion times. That's how fast a billion times. No, it's not even really close. Okay, so off you go. Yeah, you should fall off now. Good. Okay. So now interesting. All right, one more time. I want to do something else. I don't want that to roll. I want that to drag. You're a drag. Transform into box. Okay. Now go. Whoa. Oh yeah. Precisely what I wanted. Look at that. Dragging that rubber around. Interesting. How are we doing over here? I love when that rolls. I just don't want to miss this one. Yeah, we're not turning around anytime soon. Let's see. Just watch it roll off. We'll be back. One good pump and nice. It should just bloop, bloop. That is so cool. And don't drag that around with you like you did last time. There we go. All right. Oh, and these have all the balls in there still. That's good. All right, that one's actually probably gonna do really well now. Oh yeah, that's hauling ass. Now this one. Oh yeah, dun 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 dun. Come on. I mean, this one looks like it's moving. Do you see that monster? I mean, look at that trail. And look, not even there's no. This is just vibrations. So yeah, pretty sure this rubber here is slowing this down, but not stopping it. I wanted to see if I could get this thing to kind of go in the other direction. Obviously, you don't want to have, but it's not stopping it. I'm gonna let this go until they crash into each other because, you know, but you have to. I can't make it go any faster. Let me see momentum. Oh, crazy, crazy. Forces, forces. Check all friction. You don't want to get rid of the momentum. So it's not. Yeah, look at that. Now, keep in mind, if we go back down to not quite, you're not really going anywhere. So you wouldn't even notice this. Like, you'd set this thing down and 7,000 years from now, it would be over here. So this isn't cruising. We're not doing anything. So 10 times. So like this is as fast as it's going, like, in 10 minutes. I mean, it's moving. It is moving, but you're not, and you can tell none of these are doing anything. They're rock solid. So, let me kick this back up to high motion action, right? Da, 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 da. You see what I'm saying? So we're not doing anything amazing here. It's not like, but I'm just showing you we have this drift, and you can see it. Kind of hoping this would oh, this is reversing. It is. Look. Oh, she slowed down. What is going on? What's going on here? Huh. No. I mean, it does look like it's slowing. Yeah, it's definitely slowing down. You can see this thing starts chopping like that. Yeah, this last time I watched paint dry, oh, it was just like this. Slightly more. I mean, if paint drying is faster, but still, you get it. Here it comes. Where, I mean, you can measure the speed of that. There's the friction on the front. And this whole thing is still moving from the time that this thing fell. So when it fell, so the question here happens, this one's moving faster. Is this one going to bounce off and go back this way, or are they just going to join forces? Because that looks like it stopped ish. I mean, compared. That is so cool. It's like boxing a glacier. Yeah, I have no idea what's going to happen now. Yeah, they joined, obviously. And now they're one system. Dang. Is one moving faster than the other? Is one slug faster than the other slug? Slug wars. Did it bump it and move it? Did it bump and grind? I can't tell. What a weird system. This is fast. Yeah, we're going infinitely fast. Infinitely fast. So, again, this is normal speed. All it's doing is vibrating. But it's vibrating in a direction. So that's what this is all about. It's just drifting. You're not flying. If you just let this run, well, I mean, look how far it's gone, right? These haven't gone anywhere. So clearly the physics on this is fine, right? Boom. Right, that looks normal. Well, that doesn't. Boom. Right? These aren't acting screwy. Right? Physics, it's fun. Oof. Yeah, anyway. So yeah, this is just sitting here and going nowhere fast. But you can see it's moving. Alright, enjoy.